Good morning to all. Myself Kemalesh. Today now we are going to discuss about the human excretory system. Excretion means X means out, clean means to shift. In our body, waste materials will shift to outside. This process is known as that excretion. Excretion in human beings, in our body, waste materials shifting to outside. Separate one system is there. Separate one organ is there, that is known as kidney. Kidney, when we are observing kidney, one pair of kidney, one pair of ureters, urethra, urinary bladders, urethra and expel also this process is there. So when you are observing the kidney, pear-shaped structure and a reddish brown in color, and a 10 centimeter length into 5 to 6 centimeters breadth and 4 centimeter thickness. So when you are observing the kidney, right side kidney is slightly lower than the left side kidney. Why? Because surface of the right side kidney, liver, one gland is there, that's why right side kidney is slightly lower than the left side kidney. When you are observing the kidney, outer is the concave, inner is the convex. One way renal artery is there, blood enter into the inside the kidney. So inside the kidney, internal structure of the kidney when you are observing, inside the kidney, and reddish, dark color is called as a cortex, and pale color is that is called as a medulla. Inside the kidney, nearly millions of 1.3 to 1.8 millions of the nephrons are there. Millions of the nephrons are there. That's why nephron we can call as a structural and functional units of the kidney. So when you are observing internal structure of the nephron, so when you are observing the nephron, nephron mainly contain the two parts. Mainly contain the two parts, Malpighian body and again that renal tubule. Malpighian body and again that renal tubule. Now we can see about the Malpighian body. Malpighian body, it is contained the blind cup shaped structure is there, that is called as a Bowman's capsule. These Bowman's capsule contain the bunch of blood capillaries is there. This blood capillaries is called as a glomerulus. Bowman's capsules and glomerulus together we can call as a Malpighian body. This Malpighian body contain the two types of arterioles are there, afferent arteries and again that afferent arterioles. Afferent arteriole is the diameter is very more diameter is there, and afferent is the narrow is there. When the blood enter into the afferent arterioles, diameter is very big is there, more blood will enter that, and exit time narrow is there, afferent is the very narrow is there. So there in the Bowman's capsule contain the one epithelial layer is there. Epithelial layer is there. The epithelial contain the small tiny cells are there. The tiny cells are called as a podocyte cells. This podocyte cells, due to the afferent is the diameter is very high, and again afferent is the narrow is there. So due to the pressure, so epithelial layer contain the podocyte cells, blood will be filtered that. The filtered blood entering to the filtered material entering to the PCT. So that entering material is called as a primary urine. So next we discuss about that this process take place into the Malpighian body. Next we will enter into the renal tubule. Renal tubule, it is contained mainly three parts: PCT, loop of Henle and DCT. PCT means proximal cannulate tubule. Another name, first cannulate tubule. Next, loop of Henle. Okay, loop of Henle, it is a U-shaped structure. First time Henle, one scientist found this. So U-shaped structure means urine traveling through this tube. Next, DCT. DCT means distilled cannulate tubule or second cannulate tubule. So this renal tubule contains mainly three parts: PCT, loop of Henle, DCT. PCT means proximal cannulate tubule. So when primary urine enter into the PCT, so PCT it is take place absorption in the primary urine. It is contain any useful materials. It will absorption take place into the PCT, proximal cannulate tubule. So then the urine traveling through the loop of Henle U-shaped structure and then reach to the DCT, distilled cannulate tubule. In this area, renal tubule is covered with the bunch of blood capillaries are there connecting with this one. So this it will take place, absorption process will take place, and again secretion process will take place. PCT will take place absorption and DCT take place that secretion. So then the urine to the DCT and DC to the collecting tube and collecting tube to pelvis and pelvis to expel to outside. Okay, this will take place into the structure of the nephron. So this pelvis urine, how they will form. Let us now we're discussing about that mechanism of urine formation. Okay, mechanism of urine formation. Okay, mechanism of urine formation is contained the 4 stages are there. 4 stages: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion, and concentration of urine. First, glomerular filtration. The glomerular filtration, glomerular filtration means it will take place, glomerulus and Bowman's capsule together called as a Malpighian body. Here they can, but here afferent is there, afferent is there, afferent is the diameter is very high and afferent is the narrow is there. So due to this pressure, epithelial cells they can filtrate the blood help of the podocyte cells. That is called as a primary filtration. After they can call as a primary urine. So that process will take place into the glomerulus. So second stage, tubular reabsorption. When the primary urine reach to the PCT, proximal cannulate tubule, here we can take place, so reabsorption take place in the primary urine. Any useful materials are there. Useful materials are there like glucose, amino acids. So such type of any vitamin C. Any useful materials is there. Here we can see reabsorption process will be take place into the tubular absorption. Next stage is tubular secretion. Tubular secretion process will take place into the DCT, distilled cannulate tubule. Here we can place secretion. Suppose in our body any waste materials is there, again will add to the DCT. Secretion means again will add. So what type of materials will add? Like urea, uric acid, sodium, potassium and H+ ions. These all materials again will add to the urine. So in the first stage filtration take place, second stage absorption take place, and third stage secretion take place, and fourth stage concentration of urine. So in this in the 100% of urine is there, 75% of the water only is there. It will absorption take place. Remaining concentration, how they will increasing. So again, especially urine is amber in color, presence of urochrome. So here we can see concentration of urine, how they are increasing, presence of vasopressin hormone they are releasing. When they release the vasopressin hormone, urine concentration level will be increasing. So vasopressin hormone if we will not releasing, we get the diabetes insipidus, excessive of urine, again and again we go into the urine, and diabetes insipidus, and sugar level will be increasing into the urine. So these four stages will take place, the mechanism of urine formation. After urine formation over, next, so this will take place inside the kidney only. Next, one pair of kidney, this one. Next, ureters, one pair of ureters is there. Okay, ureters 30 centimeters length is there, kidney to urinary bladders. So one pair of ureters is the tube-like structures 30 centimeter length. They travel the urine from ureters to reach to the urinary bladders. Urinary bladders, when a pear-shaped structure tube-like is there, temporarily urine storage there. Urinary bladders. Next, urinary bladders to urine reach to the urethra. Urethra is the main excretory end of the excretory system. So urethra in the male is different, female is different. Okay, urethra in the 4 centimeter length in the female and 20 centimeter in the male. That's why male female different way urination process will be take place, and micturition process, and after finally urine will be sent to outside. So this is about the starting to ending about the human excretory system, and okay, structure, internal structure of the kidney, and structure of the nephron, and mechanism of the urine formation. Okay, after finally urine will be expelled to outside. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.